Okay. I decided today, not too long ago, that I was going to plant some seeds. I've made it a practice to plant seeds when I don't know what to do, and it somehow makes things better. And yes, I mean literal seeds. In this instance, in the past, I cut open one tomato, and I squeezed the seeds out of it and wrapped them in a damp napkin, and all of them germinated. And as a result of me not wanting to cull any of the 100 or so seeds that germinated, so many years now have passed, and we have since then built an entirely new greenhouse that's huge and filled with lots of life that provides for an entire ecosystem here in the desert, and has resulted in me learning things that I don't think I would have learned otherwise if it weren't for those seeds. So today, in the spirit of wherever I was in that frame of mind on that day, I'm going to do the same thing, but with different seeds. My friend was in town to vote. This was a couple weeks before the election. It was in the middle of October.
What was it? What did we do today?
I don't know, honey.
We voted.
Oh no.
We voted, and it was very scary.
It was very scary.
Not as scary as beasts.
Oh, those are good. Which one are you gonna do?
I don't know. Think about maybe the top one, but I might do a really cute kitty, so we'll see.
They're all the right answers. They're all really good.
I know.
I'm
Really cute.
I'm about to draw circles on mine because I'm boring. We went out for breakfast that day. Afterwards, we walked over to Trader Joe's, and at the entrance of the store, there were these bouquets of sticks that had what looked like miniature pumpkins growing on them. My partner and I go to Trader Joe's every weekend to get treats and certain things that we enjoy, and I had seen them like pretty much since fall started. I thought they were fake every single time. Turns out they're not. It took my friend who was with me to have the curiosity and willingness to investigate them. Like, she literally walked up to them and squeezed one of them in her fingers and saw that they were real fruit. And I ran over, and as a lover of pumpkins, like literally have pumpkins up in the house year round, not just in the fall. Like, I just really, really like pumpkins a lot. I don't know, she bought a bouquet of them so that we could have them around the house while she was staying with us. We did some research on what they were.
It's called
Ornamental.
Ornamental eggplant, or Middle Eastern eggplant, or mock tomato.
But they look like pumpkins. Eggplants are in the same family as peppers and tomatoes, which are the primary crop that Mark and I tend to in the big greenhouse out back. They're part of the nightshade family. I didn't realize this. I love you guys.
Love you.
Happy Halloween. We're all here together. And they have since withered, but I promised myself that at some point I would pluck one from the branch and try to cultivate those seeds. So, I don't know, if I can get some of those to take, then I will try to tend to them as such that they grow. And if they get, I don't know, if they become adolescent plants, then I will put them someplace in the yard so that there is a pumpkin plant somewhere in the yard, a pumpkin tree. The idea of having a pumpkin tree makes me very happy, and that is the happiness that will get me through the day today. And that's how it's been. It's been a one day at a time thing this week. So, I don't know. To everybody else out there who is experiencing the here and now, may we all find happiness seeds to plant. Seeds that promise a better time in the future. Because that's what's going to get us through right now. Thank you. Thank you for watching, and keep making awesome stuff out there.